Hello guys, 984 Queen Victor here, and in this video I will try to show you how to use the ADALM-PLUTO as a spectrum analyzer on the microwave frequencies, so above 6 gigs. I will use the SAT-Sargent software, and as you know, you can run the spectrum analyzer up to 6 gigs, as the maximum frequency of the ADALM-PLUTO is 6 gigs, if you are modified, you know. So, how I will measure 24 or 22 gigs. So let's start with a oscillator. I'm running the locked DMC local oscillator as a signal generator on 22 gigs, and the output is going to the SMA to waveguide adapter. So we will measure this signal. On the other side, I have the ADALM-PLUTO, and then I have the TX port connected to the small mimic amplifier, producing about plus 15 dBm. Then the output is going to the duplexer. The output of the duplexer is going to the harmonic mixer. This is the Alcatel power detector that can be found in all the white box Alcatel units. And this one is actually designed to work on 23 gigs and this one on 38, but they are quite wideband and they're working up to 150 gigs. The other output of the duplexer is going to the RX side of the ADALM-PLUTO, so actually to the spectrum analyzer. The generator port is set to 169.307. It means the 13th harmonic should be around 2 gigs. And the spectrum analyzer is set to 165 megahertz. So the 22 gigs plus 165.4 roughly result 22.165390. And this is what we are reading here. This is the signal from the generator that we can see on the spectrum. To be actually sure that this is the signal, I will close the port with my finger. Okay, you see the signal disappear, and I'll bring it back. And we are sure that this is the 22 gigs signal. We can do another test. So this is the 13th harmonic. Instead of 13, we can use the 11th harmonic. So we should set here the frequency exactly 2 gigs. So 11th harmonic is 22 plus 165, 22.165.4. And the signal is here. It's even stronger because the 11th harmonic is obviously stronger than the 13th harmonic. So this is how you can use the ADALM-PLUTO as a spectrum analyzer on 22 or 24 gigs. It works up to 150. This is what I can test with the 38 gigs Alcatel power detector. Runs up to 140, 150 gigs without problem. Maybe in the next video I will show you how it works on 76 gigs. So that's it. 984 Queen Victor using ADALM-PLUTO as a spectrum analyzer on 22 gigs.